Emirates Telecommunication Group Company PJSC, Etisalat, Mobile Operator Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Etisalat's latest offers and plans are in the description below. Etisalat is one of the leading mobile operators in the UAE and has expanded its services across multiple countries, providing extensive coverage and high-quality mobile services. Known for its innovative solutions and state-of-the-art infrastructure, Etisalat stands out with its 5G network, making it one of the pioneers in the region for next-generation connectivity. Etisalat offers a wide range of mobile services, including prepaid, postpaid, and data-only plans. Their prepaid plans are well-suited for casual users who need affordable, no-contract options, while postpaid plans cater to heavy data users and business professionals who require unlimited calls and high-speed data. Etisalat is particularly popular for its flexible data bundles that cater to a wide variety of use cases, whether you're a social media enthusiast, gamer, or video streamer. One of the key strengths of Etisalat is its robust and fast 5G network, which provides impressive download and upload speeds, ensuring seamless streaming, gaming, and browsing. Their coverage extends across the UAE, with excellent service in both urban and rural areas. Another standout feature is their exceptional customer support, available 24/7 through various channels, including phone, online chat, and in-store visits. However, Etisalat isn't without its drawbacks. While the service is generally high quality, its pricing tends to be higher than some competitors in the region, especially for their postpaid plans. Also, while their 5G network is expanding rapidly, it may not be available in all locations yet, which can limit the full potential of their offerings for some users. In conclusion, Etisalat is an excellent choice for users who prioritize fast and reliable 5G connectivity, flexible plans, and great customer service. It's perfect for tech-savvy individuals and businesses, but those looking for budget options may want to explore alternative providers. For more details, check the links in the description.